Have you ever checked your bank account and felt that sinking feeling in your stomach? You know the one, where you just got paid a few days ago, but somehow the money's already gone and you have no idea where it went. Have you ever had your car break down or gotten hit with an unexpected bill and felt pure panic because you don't have the money to cover it? Have you ever looked at your friends buying new cars and going on expensive vacations while you're stuck living paycheck to paycheck, wondering what you're doing wrong? If you answered yes to any of these, you're making at least one of these five money mistakes. And today we're going to fix them. Hey everyone, Robert here. Today we're talking about the five money mistakes that are keeping you broke. If you're working hard but still can't get ahead financially, one of these is probably the reason why. Let's dive in. Mistake number one, not tracking where your money goes. You can't fix what you don't measure. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes each month, they just know it disappears. Here's what happens: you get paid, pay some bills, buy some stuff, and by the end of the month, you're wondering where it all went. I had a friend who tracked his spending for just 30 days and found he was spending $280 a month on food delivery and $120 on subscriptions he forgot about. That's almost $5,000 a year wasted. The solution: track every dollar for 1 month. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or even a notebook. Once you know where it's going, you can control it. Mistake number two, living paycheck to paycheck with no emergency fund. If you don't have emergency savings, you're one unexpected expense away from financial disaster. Your car breaks down, you get sick, your hours get cut. Without savings, these normal life events become debt traps. A few years ago, my car transmission died. It cost $2,800. I had an emergency fund, so I paid cash and moved on. My coworker had the same problem but no savings. He put it on a credit card and ended up paying $4,000 because of interest. Start with $500 to $1,000, then work up to 1 month of expenses, then 3 to 6 months. Even $20 a week adds up. This one fund will give you more peace of mind than almost anything else. Mistake number three, trying to impress people who don't care. That new iPhone, those designer shoes, that car payment eating your income. Who are you really buying them for? Most people flexing on social media are broke. They're just better at looking rich than being rich. Real wealthy people drive regular cars and invest their money. Here's the math: buy a $50,000 car with a $700 monthly payment, or buy a $15,000 used car and invest that $700 a month. In 30 years at 10% returns, that's $1.5 million. Stop trying to look rich and start building actual wealth. Your future self will thank you. Mistake number four, not investing because you think you need a lot of money to start. This costs people millions over their lifetime. People say, I'll start investing when I have more money. But that day never comes. Here's the truth: you can start investing with $10. Apps like Robinhood, Cash App, and Fidelity let you buy fractional shares. Let me show you the power of starting early. If you invest $200 a month starting at age 25 until 65, at 10% returns, you'd have $1.2 million. If you wait until 35 to start, you'd only have $450,000. By waiting 10 years, you lost $750,000. Open a brokerage account today. Set up automatic transfers even if it's just $20 a week. Invest in low-cost index funds like VTI or VOO. Don't touch it. Let it grow for decades. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Mistake number five, ignoring high interest debt. If you have credit card debt at 20% interest and you're paying just the minimum, you're in serious trouble. A $5,000 debt at 20% interest takes over 20 years to pay off with minimum payments. You'll end up paying $13,000 total. That's triple what you borrowed. Here's the strategy: use the debt avalanche method. List all your debts, pay minimums on everything, then throw every extra dollar at the highest interest debt. Once it's gone, attack the next highest. But first, save a $500 to $1,000 emergency fund. Otherwise, one unexpected expense throws you back into debt. Once you're debt free, those credit card payments can go toward investing and building wealth. High interest debt is an emergency. Treat it like one. So there you have it. The five money mistakes keeping you broke. Not tracking your spending, no emergency fund, trying to impress others, not investing early, and ignoring high interest debt. Which one hit home for you? Drop a comment and let me know. If this helped you, smash that subscribe button so we can keep building wealth together. I'm Robert, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.